I'm going to show you how to delete chats in Character AI. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the app and be there. And once you're in the app, you just need to look at your chat history. So in order to do that, just go ahead and open any of the chats which you want to delete. And now just look at the top where you can see their name. Just go ahead and tap there. Now scroll all the way down till you find this option at the bottom that says history. Just go ahead and tap here, it's right below pinned memories, and just long press your text, not the AI's text, just yours. If you just select any of your texts, it will automatically delete the reply of the AI as well. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you have options like copy, new chat from here, pin, and remove. Just go ahead and tap on remove and tap on yes. As you can see, it has been removed. So there you go. That's how you delete chats in Character AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.